Want to know how to create interactive and fun pop-ups on your website? We got you! In this tutorial, you'll discover an easy way to create your own pop-up to help you generate more leads, increase sales, add announcements, grow your email list, and create gamified pop-ups. Not sure where to start? Choose a template from our pre-made library that you want to try out. Fill out the Poptin name and domain and hit Customize. Next up, it's time to customize and make changes to your design. Add different elements, multiple input fields. You can also connect your pop-up to your preferred email or CRM integration. Autoresponder and configure advanced settings on this section. Once you're satisfied with the design, you can preview your pop-up by clicking this button. Next, you can modify the triggers and targeting settings or when you prefer to show the widget. Setting this up correctly can help you convert the most qualified leads faster and without hassle. Once you're done, click the Publish button on the top right corner. Congratulations! You successfully created your first Poptin. If you've signed up via poptin.com and didn't install it yet, you can copy this code and install it on your website header. But if you've installed Poptin on Shopify, WordPress, Wix, and other apps already, the code is installed automatically. Go ahead and create your own now.